Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some products from the company Phlur and 3 of their top selling scents. They have a whole array of choices, but these are the 3 that I wanted to try. So if this sounds good to you, then stick around. Today I'm going to review my first products by Phlur, and they're some of their newest scents they have out this year. So there's a lot of hype surrounding these scents, and especially this one that just came out. And I think they've released a cherry one recently, but I'm not sure. A lot of people's favorites was the peach skin, and then I think the highest recommendation is the vanilla nectar. So I'm going to be trying all of these. We'll start with the vanilla nectar. Now, right off the, it's sweet, like sugary vanilla. It smells really good. I like it. Very youthful. I wonder how the dry down is. That one's really good. I really like it a lot. Next is we're going to try the one peach skin. We'll try it on this side. Let it dry down for a few minutes. But initially it's sweet, not as sweet as vanilla nectar, but like just below that. Now someone mentioned that it smelled like a really good peach, like a fresh peach, like the Too Faced peach, but that's not true. That is not true. It smells nothing. It smells nothing like the peaches, the peach palette or the peach collection from Too Faced back in the day. It smells nothing like that. It's kind of, it's borderline potpourri or like bathroom freshener. I really like the vanilla nectar more. I don't hate this. Maybe it'll be better once it's dried down. Now we're going to try Mrs. Smith. I guess it's going to be like a sour Granny Smith apple smell is what I'm hoping, because I love that. Now I wiped off the vanilla nectar a little bit on this hand a little bit ago, so there's only a teeny bit of it left, so I don't know. Let's see, I'm going to try that way. Let that dry down. Okay. It's a little bit of sour, kind of tart, but not too much. Definitely smells like something like a piece of candy that you can eat, but not too much. I think vanilla nectar is still the sweetest, but the Mrs. Smith is second. I like that one. I like that one. Now the peach skin is starting to dry down. It kind of smells like a little bit powdery, just a little bit powdery, not too much, but I'm smelling that. Granny Smith. Okay, so I don't think they are as amazing as people say they are, but, so I'd say from top, number 1, number 2, number 3, my least favorite is the Peach Skin. That's number 3. And I would give that, out of 10, I would give that 5 out of 10. Then number 2 comes into Mrs. Smith. And I would give that, I'd give it 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. I'm very happy with that. But my favorite is the Vanilla Nectar. And that makes sense because it is the biggest seller. It has the highest ratings. And it is my number 1 favorite out of these 3. And I would give it a 10 out of 10. I really love it. So I'm definitely going to be using it again. So will I be trying more of their products in the future? Probably. I think I would like to smell it in person first. But I ordered these off the Phlur. Sephora has them, but I ordered them off the Phlur website because there were a few that were sold. There was 1 or 2 of them that were sold out at Sephora at the time, so I decided to just get them off the... They were all in stock on the official website, so that's where I decided to order them. But it's good to know the Sephora does carry them, and all the sizes. So, well, that wraps up this video. So if you'd like to see some more reviews of these products by Phlur, and if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like it.